Okay, so I'm getting over a little cold, so if I sound a little way, that's the reason why. But if you believe the lie that they've been telling you about going to school and getting a degree and then getting a good job, well, today I want to tell you about three blue collar skills that will pay you more than a college degree in 2026. So I was just sitting down and I was wondering, like, since I've been down here, I've been spending quite a bit of guacamole since I've been building this house. In comparison to what people be getting paid at other jobs, like I hear about salaries at a call center and at different jobs. So I had to do a little bit of research and I asked ChatGPT, what are the 5 highest paying jobs without a college degree? And this is what I found out. So ChatGPT gave me 5, but I'm only going to talk about 3 because they're all in the same exact industry. And what industry do you think that is? And if you guess construction, then you're absolutely right. But here is what ChatGPT had to say. Number 1 is an electrician. Electricians install, maintain, and repair electrical systems in homes, commercial buildings, and industrial sites. With proper training and or certifications, an experienced electrician in Jamaica can earn well above average salaries, often several million Jamaican per year. To be an electrician, you typically do not need a university degree. Vocational training and certification are the usual requirement. Number 2, plumber or plumbing technician. Plumbers work on water system, drainage, and piping installation in buildings. Through apprenticeship or vocational training, plumbers can build strong earnings, especially as they gain experience or become licensed. As a plumber, no college degree is required. Hands-on training and certifications are more important. Number 3, appliance repair and HVAC technicians. Professionals who repair and service appliances, air conditioners, refrigerators, and HVAC systems can command good wages in Jamaica with technical skills and certifications from a technical school or Heart Trust NSTA program. This role does not need a 4-year degree. Competency in technical training matters most. Okay, so now that we know that you can get some of this guacamole without going to college, I gotta give y'all some more information. You can learn each and every one of these trades for free in Jamaica at the Heart Trust NSTA. They offer free hands-on training and you have the option of taking it hybrid or face-to-face. So you can take these courses half online or half in person, or if you have the time, you can do it completely face-to-face. As they say, skills pay the bills. So if you don't want to go to college and get some knowledge, then you could go ahead and accumulate different skills so that you can pay your bills. And you won't have to stress, especially if you take your funds and you invest. And that's only half of the equation when it comes to accumulating wealth, because you have to understand that it's not about what you make, it's about what you keep. So gaining a new skill will allow you to make money, but you'll have to continue to invest in yourself so that you'll know how to deploy your capital and make your money work for you. As a wise man once said, if you don't learn how to make your money work for you, then you'll work until you die. And you don't want to be that guy. So if you want to learn any of these skills, go ahead and check out the Heart Trust NSTA. I went on their website and right now it looks like they're currently working on it. So give it some time and check back later. But you should definitely take advantage of that opportunity. And if you live close to any of their branches, just walk in and get more information. because that will let you know what you need to do in order to position yourself so that you can acquire new skills. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you're notified every time I make a new post. Until next time.